Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. On this video we're going to be taking JFB, the front of him off due to him becoming incontinent, as seen in the next bit of footage, which was filmed while we were out and about on one of our jaunts. As you can see from this bit of footage now, JFB has decided to become incontinent. You dirty boy. Dirty, dirty boy. Oh, and dribbling here as well. Down onto the dash. Is it tears of sadness from the neglect and unlove? I don't think so. He's just become incontinent. Dirty boy. Smokey's also developed an incontinent problem, as we can see down there, hopefully. If not, I'll just retrieve the tyre. So we'll do this as a separate video. So right, we've got water gathered in the boot, yet the car hasn't been anywhere for a number of days. So that's leading me to think there's a problem with the seal. Aha! Could be this. It's curled back a bit. Possibly, maybe. That is peculiar. I just can't see where it's coming in. Right, so we'll take the dash off and all the heater cowlings and basically anything that's on the front of the car on the inside is coming out and in the boot. So I can find out where the incontinence is coming from. So I'll leave it at that, and we'll show you a little bit more footage once we've got the dash off.
Liquid sunshine straight from the tap. Is it coming through? No. Why not? No more dribbles. Managed to get the tenor lady out for it. Steffi dribbling.
Where's it coming from?
Don't know, I can hear it.
It's outside, you poo.
Round 2. This time with windy wipers going. Still no dribble. He reckons it's down the spindle, but yeah, tiny bit of dribble there. Don't think that's the main cause of it though. It does seem to be a lot more than that, as you saw in the previous clip. So unless it's because it's pooling in the dash, not sure. As you can see, plenty of dribble.
Right, discovered some of the problems as to why he's become incontinent. If my cameraman comes around the other side of the bonnet, and if you can get into there quite close, I don't know if you can see that, but that, not supposed to do that. That, as it's in motion, is allowing water to piss through there. I mean, enter into the vehicle there and then dribble down our legs, and the driver's side is not much better, so I'm not too sure if we can get some form of spindle repair or something, a washer, I don't know, something not quite right there.
One for the comment section.
So these need to come off, so I'm going to do, as the cameraman just said, we're going to edit this. I'll get it to do this as like a little short so I can stick this up on the socials and see if I get some feedback before we actually put a complete video out. So that's allowing water in through the top. Also on the passenger side, we've discovered that there's water. It looks like it's coming through from the bottom of the battery box. So hence, come back this side. Battery out. It's looking a bit crustalicious here. And there is a bit of moisture in this corner. So I'm going to take this out just to see what the back of the battery box, if it can tell me anything. There is also water on the driver's side, but I'm wondering if that's just coming from the top of the bonnet when I was hosing the window and it's gone down through here because I've sort of attempted to put that back in. So whether it's coming through there, I don't know, but I can't see anywhere else where water is actually, other than down here in that corner here, here where my finger is, there's a bit of a hole here.
Slip down with you.
But I think, from what I can work out, because I can see my glove through that, that just literally goes through the body and would dribble down, so I'm ruling that out. So it must have come through this top piece. Like I say, it wasn't an issue when we were out on the drive. The issue was, every time you put the window wipers on, it was coming into the car.
Yeah, through the spindles.
So I thought it was the spindles to begin with. I just wanted to check to see if, because of the crustiness along here, I was wondering, was water actually managing to get through? Or through the top?
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
As you can see, we've got crustiness here, as he's just edited this. We've got crustiness here, and I was wondering if the water was getting through here and getting into the vehicle, or through the top of this seal on the flap. But by all accounts, that looks good, because when I first put the water on, which we didn't film.
We did.
Oh, did we? Right. The water, as that was coming on, nothing was happening until I put the wipers on. Yeah, so that's bringing the spindles, confirming that that's the main entry of water. So I'll just crack on with this panel coming out of here, battery box, and we'll come back to you. Right, we've run out of time. Battery box has had a coating of decrusty. Still got the wobbly spindle. So any help anybody can give me on wobbly spindle and how to fix it would be much appreciated. Till the next one, I'll see you.